How am I going to pay my bills? I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow. After the gym, I'm going to go to Blockbusters and get the webcam so you guys can see me paying my bills. I realize I also have a doctor appointment next month, and I also have to put the car in for the service. So more bills to pay. Luckily, gas is going down, but November 12th, interest rates will be going up. That's why I say, how do you pay your bills, man? What's your strategy? You always hear about the middle class, the upper middle class. How do you just pay your bills as a middle class person, man? Do you want all your money going to a car? Do you want all your money going to a car? I'm just saying, I've been there, man. What's used to having a car, you can't properly maintain it. You're all stressed out and stuff. Why don't you just get a car, wait a month, pay everything off, then turn back around. Hey, I've saved up $20,000, $30,000. Now I can go get whatever I want, man. You want to get your Lexus, or get your Charger? Everyone's driving Chargers, Chargers, Camaros. It's good and all, man. But right now, you need to find a way to get some passive income and just start stocking away money, man. Looking for that one opportunity, and I don't mean buying stock. There's other ways to make money. We're out there trying to develop products to help people, man. That's why I'm doing how I pay my bill. I just want to see, how do people pay your bills? Do you ever hear people say, how you pay your bills, man? Write down how much. Or what do you pay, man? Let's see what you pay. You never hear that, have you? I hear about the kids, the dog. Why don't you tell me, how do you pay your bills, man? That's what I want to know. How do you just look down rent? $2,200, storage $173, blah 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 blah. That's what I'm going to show you, all my expenses, and then I'm going to show you, hey, what my strategy is. That's going to be the seminar for $499. How I pay those bills, man. How I find ways to just help me keep more money in my pocket, man. But I don't get caught up like, oh, they may think I'm a dork if I don't have a fancy car. It's okay, man. What's the use of having a fancy car? It'd be in my apartment complex. I'll be parked on the weekend because you can't afford the gas, because you can't afford the repairs. You gotta move somebody in. Been there, done that, man. I know some of you guys live with 4 and 5 people. You want to live like that? I've done that. That ain't that fun. Remember 385 East 116th Place, live with a bunch of people. College, live with 4 or 5 guys. That ain't fun, man. I'm just telling you. It's nasty. After you get past 2 or 3 people, it just gets nasty. Unless you all have your own bathrooms, you guys know what I'm saying, man. So how do I pay my bills? And yesterday, I'll give you a sneak peek. I was cleaning Crystal at an Ice Cube concert. Now what? Ice Cube the rapper for you guys, not just the Ice Cube like the one from the Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea, the Heat Mustard, when it comes in this big block of ice. Cleaning Crystal at an Ice Cube concert. How did I clean the Crystal? That's what I'll tell you next month.